Functions in VBA. A function is an operation that performs a calculation. Built-in functions are functions that are already programmed in VBA. Most, but not all, built-in functions return a single value. Here in this subroutine, I have included 4 of the built-in functions in VBA: a square root, absolute value, sine, and arctangent. Then these commands will insert the result of these functions in cell A1, A2, A3, and A4. Now if I run this subroutine and go back to my spreadsheet, I can see the result of these functions in cell A1. Square root of 9 is 3, absolute value of negative 10, sine of 1, 0.84, arctangent of 1, 0.78. Notice that the value in the parentheses for sine, cosine, tangent, and cotangent is assumed to be in radians in VBA and Excel. And here, notice that arctangent of 1 is equal to pi divided by 4. So it is wise to use arctangent function to define your pi value. So I would type pi is equal to 4 times arctangent of 1. Next line, I would use this command. I would change it to A5 and this one to pi. Now if I run the subroutine and go back to my spreadsheet, you can see the accurate value of the pi number is written in A5. So this is a good idea to use this function 4 times arctangent of 1 when you want to define an accurate value for your pi. In addition to the built-in functions, you can also use user-built functions in VBA. Now this subroutine is converting temperature in Celsius to temperature in Kelvin. So it first creates this variable as the input, and the output is this function here, convert C to K. And then finally it will pop up a window showing the output of this program. Now that the main program is written here, I would insert another line here, and I would type function. Now I would define the function here, convert C to Kelvin, in parentheses Celsius in temperature. So this is my input, this is my output, and now here I need to declare both of these variables. So this one, I would declare it as single, and the function itself also should be declared as single. Now this is the formula for the function. I would include it here. So the output is equal to the input plus 273.15. Now if I run this program, it would run this main program and call this function from this equation here. So now I run this program, and this pop-up window will show the result of adding 100 to 273.15.